Hey, it's Trisha Arietta from the blog Wellness Within. I like to share DIYs and healthy food and healthy blood sugar type recipes. So this morning, I'm going to show you this like Instagram crazy food demo called the Chaffles, which is basically an egg and cheese waffle. I'm going to just show you my technique because there's a lot of different techniques online, and it took a little bit to get it right. But basically what you're going to do is I'm just going to show you what I have. And I'll be honest with you, I tried another video and I needed to revise my technique. So let's see if this revision works for me. Okay, so I'm going to start with this is the prosciutto, this is the cheese, and that's for my other chaffle. And I also have an egg that I've already beat. And I put a little salt, I put a little bit of oregano in it, and I put a little bit of pepper in it, which isn't really that big of a deal, but I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take like a half a slice of cheese. You could definitely do this and let it kind of melt on there. And I'm gonna set my timer. And for the meat, without the meat, I would go 3 minutes without the meat. The last time it wasn't cooked quite enough, so I'm bumping that up to 4 minutes for this demo. And then I'm adding the prosciutto actually now. So I'm gonna take a half a piece of prosciutto and I'm gonna lay it on there, and I'm gonna let it I'm gonna fold it in because the last time it just didn't work out that great. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my mixture. And this is like one of the things that is really helpful when you're making these things is to use a spoon and just kind of pour. I'll show you exactly how much I have on it. I just want to cover, I don't want to overfill it, but I want to cover this up. And then what you want to do is you want to put the lid down for like a couple minutes because you got to let it poof up. And then we're going to add the other ingredients, which is the other half of that prosciutto and the other half of the cheese. So let's see how it turns out. All right, so it's worked. See how the steam's coming up? That means it's puffing up that egg. See there? And I'm gonna put, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fold this in half, and then I'm gonna put the cheese on top of it. The cheese, and then it still has 2 minutes left to cook. So what the cheese does is the cheese makes it crunchy, so you get that crunch factor. So if you're like missing bread because you're keto or whatever, you can actually eat these and it will not bring you out of ketosis, and it tastes pretty darn delicious, and you can use it as like a sandwich, top and bottom. Steam's getting in my face. So you could put like this, and you could put a hamburger and lettuce and tomato and put the other top of it on, and then you have like a sandwich. I know I haven't ate bread for like 6 years. And then secondly, you could just put like this. There's definitely enough protein in there that you could put this with tomato and lettuce and onion or whatever creation you can come up with. I also mix the recipe up a little bit and make a sweet version of this for my daughter in the morning. It's a gluten-free version, and I definitely will share that. It's vanilla and almond flour. But anyways, so it's still working. You can see it's still kind of puffing up there, and so you're still going to just wait. You can push if you see it like, see how it's like puffing up right here. So if you have that situation going on, you can push it down a little bit, and that'll just make it kind of flatten it out a little bit so it is more like a sandwich thing. And then you just wait for the timer. And I'm sorry there's dead time in here, but you can add any kind of spices to it. I don't feel like it tastes eggy, but I do like to add the pepper, and I do like to add some type of herb because I feel like just egg and cheese is like so like basic. I don't know. And so you just add a little bit of something and it gives you something else. Now these are called dashes. You can buy those right at Target. $10, like less than $10, like literally $9.99, and it's awesome. So if you're searching for something that's super easy, maybe you're retired and you're just like, hey, or you have kids. I mean, it works for like every single genre. Maybe you're in college and you're like, I need something quick that I can do in the morning, this isn't going to pop you out of ketosis, and it's not going to run your blood sugars up and down like cereal or whatever. So definitely give this a shot. It's like a 4-minute breakfast, no kidding. And it's like gives you energy for like 4 hours, literally. Okay, so let's see how close we are. Yeah. Okay, 11 seconds left. And then we're gonna see what it's gonna look like. I hope it turns out better than the other one. Okay, so now you can kind of see that the smoke, oh, there it is dissipating. And that's like your clue that things are getting serious. So here we go. Let's lift this up. Can you see that? Yeah, all right. It's perfect. This is perfect. This is so much better than the other one I just did. And it's all perfectly done. If you like it crunchier, definitely, look at this side. Definitely leave it on there longer. But yeah, so, and then you just unplug your appliance, and then you just have yourself a nice little breakfast. Put a piece of tomato on it, a little onion, whatever you want, a little lettuce, and just go to town. All right, hopefully have a great Thursday, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.